Hazrat Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
ऊंची आवाज में.
Our Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born in Makkah in 501 AD. His father had died a few months before he was born. And his uncle Hazrat Abu Talib brought him up. When he was a boy, he was very different from other boys of his age. He was always honest and truthful. He was never rude to anybody. He was thin and meaningful to other people. Called him Amin and Isaac because he was so honest and truthful. The word Amin means honest, and the word Isaac means truthful. In today, many of the Arabs did not live a good life. They did not worship the one to Allah, but worshiped many gods and daughters. They did not have faith to Allah, but faith to idols made of stone. They used to sample and think when they often to talent which they had other and ill said other. Allah told Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to make them truth and to